everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a closet cleaning and organization video. As you can see, I really need to declutter this thing. We moved in this house about 3 months ago and I just kind of threw everything in there and I haven't touched it since.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So there you have it. It is a little more organized. This definitely helps out a whole lot. Still have my bridesmaid dress right there. It's for Alex's sister's wedding next month. But I think it looks pretty good. I didn't touch much of that because we don't have anywhere to put Alex's work pants right now. But my favorite part is the floor just being clear. I feel like I can walk through here peacefully now. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you did enjoy my closet declutter and organization. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Goodbye.